Hello and welcome to this edition of Ask Andy. Now in this video today we're going to look at how we can add a web proxy to our wireless networks. Now please note this setting is only available for Wi-Fi, so if you're using a hardwired connection you can't add a proxy. So if you're on the Wi-Fi network, let's take a look at how we add a proxy setting. So the first thing we're going to do is head over to our settings menu and we're going to jump into our Wi-Fi networks. Now we've already connected to the network. What I'm then going to do is on the remote control, I'm going to press the F3 key. And the F3 key takes me to this advanced menu. Now if I touch and hold on my wireless network, I can then click on Modify. And I've now got a box here that allows me to manually set my options for the proxy. So in the proxy, I would manually set my numbers here. I can enter an IP address as I have there. I can enter the proxy port, or I could enter a host name as well. I then click Save. And the web proxy then is available for the browser to make use of any proxy servers that you have on your network. If you've enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can watch the next video by clicking on the link below. Thanks for watching.